Good day. This is CJ Miller. I want to introduce you to myself. I am the author of The Spiritual Artist, and I also do a podcast by the same name, The Spiritual Artist Podcast, where I interview artists and new thought leaders about their creative process. This course that I'm going to be teaching at Infinity Foundation is called Using Asemic Writing to Reveal Your Spiritual Artistry. But we're going to talk about asemic writing and how I use that as a tool to figure out who you are as an artist, as a mark-making tool. So we will have 3 sessions, and there's a supply list that you'll need to bring with you online. But we're going to play and learn how our marks are as individual as we are. And so I use this process of asemic writing, and you can find this on YouTube on my other video where I talk about asemic writing to help you discover who you are through mark making and how you can build on that to become an abstract artist. You don't have to have any previous experience as an artist for this class. We start at the beginning. It's fun, it's creative. It involves a little bit of meditation, a little bit of self-reflection, and most importantly, you expressing yourself as a spiritual artist. I hope you sign up for it. It's going to be a great class, and I'm going to enjoy getting to know you. Talk to you soon.